action. Their union says wages are the key issue. Many employees haven't received a pay raise.
This is an Alberta emergency alert. Clearwater County has updated the wildfire alert. This alert is in effect for Clearwater County. There is a wildfire northwest of Nordegg, Wildfire 38 Rouen-Franks. Clearwater County is issuing an evacuation order for Snow Creek PRA, Dry Haven PRA, Center for Outdoor Education, Fish Lake PRA, Frontier Lodge and Goldeye Lake PRA and area. Residents and visitors to the area are asked to leave immediately. If you are in the affected area, evacuate immediately. Evacuees with holiday trailers/campers needing overnight location for lodging can relocate to the North Saskatchewan River Park in Rocky Mountain House located at 394,024 Range Road 7-3A. For details visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.
Getting into a better place by the end of the summer.
Service Canada says more than 550